AM 1430 KRGI 105.5 FM. Good morning. I'm Brian Gallagher. She's back from Central District Health Department. Colette Evans is here to talk about an important program that you need to find out more info about. First, welcome back.
Thank you for having me. Good morning.
Let's talk about this because it is important. Prevent type 2 diabetes, NDPP. Now I'm going to let you explain all of that stuff, and then we'll get into why it's so important for everyone to know.
Perfect. Thank you. Type 2 diabetes can be preventable. And if you are considered a pre-diabetic, if you go there, you have the ability to eliminate that from your diagnoses. You can take control over that. So we have National Diabetes Prevention Program, and this is the second time that we'll be offering it online. It's completely virtual. Prior to that, we would meet at a location every week for several weeks. So this is all online, and you kind of go at your own pace. Each week you get a new session, and you work through it, and we have communication with the participants. So we're really excited to be able to offer it again. The first class that we have going now is doing phenomenal. And so really it's just a class that helps you change your lifestyle to eat healthier, increase your exercise. All of those have a big impact on, your heart, your lungs, just your overall well-being.
We know that there are a lot of folks who have been able to conquer type 2 diabetes with this, but if folks are still wondering, okay, what should I do? Why should I do this? First off, there's a coach that kind of helps guide through this whole process.
There is. This is a CDC curriculum that is evidence-based, and we have health coaches that have been trained to facilitate these classes. And so even though the classes are virtual, we're still reaching out to participants if they want it. So we've made phone calls to them. They've come into the office, and we've provided some in-office health coaching. So we want to be more hands-on if the participant wants that. We're just trying to make this accessible to everybody who wants to participate in it. But we do have a health coach, and it is an evidence-based program.
And they can guide you through the lifestyle changes, talk about some of the things they recommend in regards to diet and physical activity strategies, because let's face it, if it works, you want it to keep working, but if you let it slide off, well, just don't go there. But they help to coach you on that. Yep. And also they will do weigh-ins.
Yep.
So this way you can see and witness and understand the steps of progress that can be made.
Absolutely. Participants typically will lose between 5 and 7% of their weight within the first 6 months. And the evidence has shown people who have gone through this program are able to maintain their lifestyle even 10 years later, still have reduced their risk for prediabetes. They've kept their weight low, and their health continues to be good. One of the other things that we do is process with folks how to communicate with your physician, because a lot of people go into the physician and the doctor tells them what to do, and they think that that they're not allowed to ask questions. So that's another piece of this, is making sure that they're connecting with their medical providers. And we keep in contact with those medical providers as well if the participant is agreeable to that.
Colette Evans is here from Central District Health Department talking about this program. March 27th, there will be another session beginning. It is going to be available in English and also in Spanish. You can learn more about the long-reaching effects of the disease if it is not addressed, but also the long-reaching effects of, I don't want to say remedy, but solutions, because if you stick with this, you can see great progress, and you're going, okay, now I understand.
Right. We really do focus on the fact that this is a lifestyle change. It's not a temporary fix to get somebody to lose weight. It really is about changing your habits slowly but surely. And the program is a year long, which sometimes puts people off a little bit because that's a big commitment. But I assure you it is completely worth it. To
find out more, contact Central District Health Department. Phone number?
308-385-5175.
Just that easy. Colette Evans, always a pleasure.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Good morning from AM 1430 KRGI 105.5 FM.